So, just quick video. I was doing some belt loops, and I've had people ask me about this. So, on this particular material, this is a stretch denim, and it does fray if you don't overlock or serge the edges or do something to them. Doing this isn't a step by step, but if I do belt loops, let's put that out. I take a 2-inch, say these are going to be a 1-inch belt loop, 1 inch wide, by about 3 inches, so I loop them over. I'll cut a 2-inch strip of material, a 2-inch wide strip, about, I don't know, 24 inches long, because I make 3-inch belt loops, and I'll need about 6 of them. And then I'll fold it over, and then I run it through my serger. And your settings are going to differ depending on your machine, but I serge the end closed and run it through. Make sure everything's lined up. Run it out. So then we end up with this. And I don't know if you can see that or not because it's black on black, but we've got our serged, there we go, light in it, serged end here. And then I'll clean it up a little bit, pull out any frays. So that way this doesn't fray for one. But this is actually, you're going to see this because this is going to be on a rough cut pair of tights. And they're supposed to look rough. But this is a clean finish. And then on this side, I'm going to stitch this down with either a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch, depending. I'm probably going to do a contrasting color, probably white, because the detailing on this, but you can make it to match, you can do whatever with it, but that's how I do my belt loops when I make them. This material is pretty sturdy, so I don't really have to put anything in it. Some people will put something in between it, like some elastic or piece of vinyl or something like that. I just do mine with the material because I like them to have give to them and a little sway. And if you look at belt loops on any other clothes, it's just material. So unless it's really, really thin material, and then I'll double it up or do something with it. But yeah, as we go along and add these, I'll show you more steps. But yeah, easy way to make some belt loops.